Hello, students and my friends. We all know very well that it is very hard time when we all are fighting against COVID 19. We all are fighting coronavirus pandemic. It is really a very critical time, and I have realized that every person has suffered and is suffering because of this pandemic, directly or indirectly. Many people, they have lost their lives. Many people, they have lost their jobs. Many people, they have lost their dear and near ones. Many people, they are living under fear. Some people are living in depressed condition. It is really very critical situation, very critical condition. Now the question is this: what is our responsibility in such a critical condition? Our responsibility is to follow the guidelines given by government. Our responsibility is to come forward and to help our neighbors, to help our friends and relatives who are starving, who have no food to eat, who are not in a position to maintain their family. It is our responsibility to come forward and to help them. And there is no doubt there are many volunteers, there are many organizations are helping the people. They are providing medicines, oxygen cylinders, food and different necessary things to suffering community. Our doctors, policemen, nurses, they all are working for the betterment of people. They all are performing their duty day and night without taking any rest. But unfortunately, there are some greedy people, there are some selfish people who are seeking opportunity to earn money from this critical situation. I am very much sad and pained to watch on television screen that some people, they sell the medicine at very high rate. They do the black marketing of oxygen cylinder and necessary medicines which can provide life to a person. Such type of greedy and selfish people are playing with the lives of the people. I am very much sad to see it. And I don't know what has happened to human being. Why the people are taking undue advantage of those who are suffering and fighting this coronavirus. It is really very bad mentality. And I want to say to such type of greedy people who seek the opportunity how to earn more and more money from this COVID-19 pandemic. They don't concern what is happening with their fellows. They have only one target, how to earn money. But they forget what they will do of this money which they are earning. They must understand that if they earn money by unfair means, this money will never bring any comfort and pleasure and peace to them. This money will bring trouble, sufferings for them. So those people who are doing the black marketing of medicines, of oxygen cylinders, they have to stop. They must stop. I appeal to these people that we all are human beings. What is our duty? You are human beings, so you must have humanity. If you don't have humanity, you don't deserve to be called human being. It is often said that man lives for others while animal lives for itself. if you also live for yourselves. I don't say who you are really. So through this video, I want to give a message to all those greedy people, to all those greedy businessmen who are taking the undue advantage of the helplessness of the people, that they must not do it. They must understand that duty is to help the people. Their duty is to save the lives of the people, not to play with the lives of other people only for the sake of some money. So friends, I want to say that we all should be united. We all should be collected, and we should first fight against those people who are the enemies of humanity, who are greedy, who are selfish, who don't see what is happening with their fellows, who are busy in earning money by playing the lives of the other people. So I think you can easily understand what I want to say. If I have said anything that can hurt you, I don't care, because only those people will be hurt who are not human beings. Those who are human beings, they will really support me. They will really give their thoughts in the support of my statements. Thanks.